Good morning. I'm with Ava. Look at her. She always touches. She's gonna be getting her hair done. She went to a birthday party, so I gotta do her hair. And she's not leaving like this. She just gotta breathe. I washed it last night. Then I put it, and I blow dried it, and then I washed it, blow dried it, put it in the braid. Now I'm ready to do her hair. Comb, brush, gel, hair control, clips. These, but I might put these in there. I might get the gold ones. I don't know. It depends on what she's wearing. What's that called? Rubber bands, and that's it. Hair ties, stuff. She's getting a half up, half down style. And yeah, it's gonna be braids. Basically like individuals in the back, and then braids in the front. So stay tuned for the video, because I'm not gonna be talking anymore.
But you can't get out that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
All done. Look at the edges.
Get out the trash.
Forever.
Get out the trash.
Eat.
Stop.
Turn. All done. Okay, bye. Say bye.
We were villagers. Bye.
And you in the trash.